Hello and welcome to my video. My name is Maxwell Vlookup, and I would like to welcome you to my channel, Career Tech Explorer. Now, if today is the first time you have encountered my channel, I'll please invite you to please hit the subscribe button as we continue to learn together on this beautiful platform. Today, I want to present to you how to manipulate examination data using Vlookup in Excel. How to manipulate examination data using Vlookup in Excel. Let's continue. Click the link to continue. Great. Let me take you to Excel. The sheet before you shows the scores of 100 students. That is 80 students from 1 to 100, where 1100 represents 100 and 1001 is student number 1. Now over here, these are the scores that each of them got in this particular test. And then what the task we have before us is to interpret this into grades that can be understood by non-education professionals. So I have got two sheets. The first sheet is the one that contains the scores. Then the second sheet is the one that will contain their grades. So we're going to write the grades. So you have 0, which the lower bound of this particular range of scores is 0, which is fail, and then the upper bound is 39, whereas the lower bound for this one is 40, and that grade will be lower pass, and the upper bound is 44. Then the next is the lower bound is 45, whereas this is upper pass, for instance, and the upper bound is 49. This one. Then the next lower bound is 50, and this will be interpreted as merits. Okay, and here the upper bound is 54. Then you have the lower bound for the next, which is 55. That we will call that should be lower credits. Lower credits, okay, and its own upper bound will be 59. Next lower bound is 60. That is upper credits. And
are you enjoying yourself so far? If you are, please smash the subscribe button.
Its upper bound will be 69. Then from here on out, we're now having the institution grades, where the first one, which is between 70 and 79, is good. Upper bound for it is 79. Next lower bound is 80. This one is called very good, and its upper bound is 89. Next, you have the last but not the least, which lower bound is 90, and the grade is the one we call excellent, where the upper bound is 100. Nice. Now these are the grades and their interpretation. These are the upper bounds, these are the lower bounds. Right? I've decided to place the lower bounds because I'll be interested in moving, or let's say highlighting the lower bounds as well as the interpretations. Okay, so let's now go back to the scores. Right? So going back to the scores, it is on this column G, that I intend to interpret this course. And this is where the gradings of this course will be calculated or determined by Vlookup. Vlookup is a very fantastic way of analyzing data in a very fast and efficient way. So we press equal to, and then we say Vlookup. Now Vlookup, then you select this cell. Selecting this cell, you now move over to the second sheet, which is the grade, and then you highlight the space that you're interested in, which is this one now. That's B2 down to C10, and then you hit on your enter key. Okay, after that you need to enter the $sign between before B and after B, as well as before C and after C. If you do not know what this does, please check out my previous videos. Then you separate with the comma and then use the second function, which means the approximate values. So we're going to type true, and then we close the bracket and hit enter. All right, as soon as that is done, you can see that this grade 53 has already been interpreted. If we were to go back to this side now, 53 would have fallen between 50 and 54, which means the interpretation is merit. So we go back here now and copy this formula all the way down to the very last student's score. And as you can see, Vlookup has helped us to interpret the grades and assign them according to the scores. For instance, 89 is a very good score, while 68 is an upper credit, 14, 34, 19, 23 are all fail, 93 is excellent, 91 is excellent, and so on and so forth. So this is what you use Vlookup to do, my dear friends. And if you have learned one or two things from this video, please give me a subscription on YouTube, give me a follow on TikTok. Let us continue to learn together, and please leave me a comment. Tell me what next you would like me to show you, and we will continue to be together. Thank you very much. God bless you. Until next time. Bye bye.